everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pam. I'm from Pamela's Creations, and I'm here today to show you a giveaway I won from Just Crafting over here with Crystal. And I am so glad I won her giveaway because she is a super talented crafter. She does a lot of 3D paper crafting, which I cannot do. To save it my life, I cannot do that. But with time and everything, I'm pretty sure I can nail it. But I'm going to link her channel down below in the description box. And yes, I'm wearing the same thing because I'm trying to film all these videos at once because it's been hard for me to get videos in. So I'm going to show you what I won from her giveaway. Please go check her out. I absolutely adore her. So I like how she put some paper here. It's so cute. And, oh, look at this. To help protect it, she put that there. And look at all of this. Oops, I'm sorry, I shook you guys. I love mix. I love mix because I can reuse it again. So here is a card. Strings here. So here's the card. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, I love how she made that. And just says, congratulations. Hi Pam, congratulations for being such an awesome supporter of my channel and showing lots of crafty love. I hope you like everything in person. Take care, Crystal. And please go check out her channel, guys. She is an amazing crafter. She does crafts and hauls, and she's giving me ideas on things to purchase, so kind of an enabler type thing, but I adore her. She is such a sweetheart. I've been subscribed to her for a while, so yeah. So there's the card. And then, oh, how awesome. Oh my gosh, I forgot about that. It's an American Express card. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I forgot about this. Thank you, Crystal. I'm so excited. This was her appreciation and like subby channel. And I love her work, guys. I absolutely adore her work. Okay, and then here is this. It has this nice little bag. Sorry for the crinkle, but I love it. And let's see what she put in there. Oh, premium sequence mix. Look at that. Oh, I love it. And it's got hearts and all kinds of stuff in it. Love it, love it, love it. And these buttons. Aren't those cute? You can add those to anything. It's just, it's awesome. You know, you can do whatever with them. So there's that. Okay. And she showed these socks, and I always need socks. And I got more goodies in here. I'm going to reuse that again. Put it in a plastic bag and use all the shred. But she made this box. It's like a fry box. And then she has this heart and this butterflies, flowers. And she put some socks in there. She showed it on her channel. And you can reuse this box if you want. I love how she put that together. It's so pretty. And my feet are always cold, so I'm so glad I got these socks. So awesome. And then she made this telephone, and then there's some goodies in here. I remember different things, so I got that. And more dies. And I can use these on Memdex cards, which I'm excited to do. The butterflies, the phone, and the stars. I love how she did this and put it together. And I love this. This is so neat. And it says hello and flowers and more flowers. Isn't that beautiful? So, and then you slide it in here. Oh my gosh, she is an amazing crafter, guys. She really, truly is. She is the best. I mean, and her paper crafts are amazing. Absolutely amazing. I don't know if I put these in right, but I'll fix it. So there's that. And let's see here. A journal, looks like, and again, it has the telephone on it. And so it has this, which I have this in my stash, which I'm going to make. And it has the heart and the rings, and then the butterfly, the phone, and the doily, and the thing, and then a shaker. And she just made it simple so you can add whatever you want. Isn't that beautiful? Home is where the heart is. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm just amazed. She is so talented. Isn't that beautiful? Another shaker. Shaker heart, which I'm going to learn to get better on. And then she has a eyelet in there. And then more pretty bows, which I'm learning now how to make these particular bows for my tassels. And so I'm hoping to add these tassels, or these bows, to my tassels next week if I can do what I want to do. And then I'm going to make my own. And then, oops, it says so sweet. Oh, I love it. And, you know, I love these too. They're so yummy. Oh, this is so gorgeous. And then that's I love how she set this little up. Ring, ring, it says hello. And she die cutted that out. And then the bow on top. Oh, it's beautiful. And it's one of my favorite colors too. Alright, the next thing we got here is, I was in awe over it. Well, we'll open this one first here. Okay, and so this I can have for Easter thing. So the next thing I got was this. This is Happy Easter on it. It says, Happy Easter, Pam. Have a blessed day. Take care, Crystal. And she just put some flat back gems on there. And it says, Happy Easter. I love it. Oh, it's such a pretty card. Thank you so much, Crystal. And then I got lip balm, flavored peep, which I cannot wait to try. And it's in grape flavor. Marshmallow cream. And I'm not giving this to anybody. This is going to be mine. And look at this. She showed on her channel how to make these. And I adore it so, so very much. So that's going with my stuff. And it's not going anywhere. And she put, it's like a, it has a bead on the bottom. And it has this flower trim. And then the little bunny. Isn't that adorable? I love it. Okay, I'm saving this last one because what an amazing job she did on this one. She did it on her Cricut, and I have a Cricut, and I don't think I could do it. So this is going to be somewhere safe in my stash, but she made this beautiful record player. Let me move this here. So again, a bow, her trim, and look at this. It says Sunday, Monday, happy days. Like, you know, that TV show Happy Days. And then she's got the glasses, the heart, the lipstick, and then the milkshake. And look at the paper on here. Isn't that pretty? And she put a doily in the back. And then look at this, guys. It says Dream. And it has the little record player. And it has the, I'm scared to take the top off. I don't know if the top can come off, but I'm kind of scared to. It's got the flowers in the bottom. And this is acetate. But look at this. Isn't this adorable? And she has twine right here. Oh my gosh, I love it. Isn't that awesome? And she put some flowers. And it says, handmade with love. Oh, sorry. Handmade with love. Crystal Rose, just crafting over here. And like I said, I'm going to link her channel down below. Please go show her some crafty love if you don't know who she is. But she is so talented, guys. Look at these flowers. Look at this. I adore it. This is, oh, I fell in love with it when she showed it on her channel. And this beautiful bow, which I'm going to be learning to make these type of bows to put on my tassels. I love it. And the trim, it is so, so gorgeous. And she's right. It's in person, it's like amazing. I mean, it's just absolutely amazing. So there is that. Oh my gosh, guys, I adore it so, so much. Thank you so much, Crystal. I enjoy your channel. I love your giveaway. I love the things that you make. You are a sweet person and so talented. And let's go show her some crafty love. Let's get her numbers up for her. You guys go over, check her channel out. Thank you again, Crystal. I love everything that you sent me, and I'm going to put this on my shelf in my room so it doesn't get ruined. I love it. It is so, so very cute. Thank you again. All right, everyone. If you like what you saw, can you please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the thumbs up, hit the notification bell to all, and please go check out Crystal Just Crafting over here. All right, everyone.